Welcome to How Families Connect to the PBIS Rewards Family App. Today, we are going to walk you through how to get families the information to sign up with the Family app and the steps to get them logged in. For schools, the first step will be to send out communication to families regarding the app with a printed letter, email, or text via PBIS Rewards. All these communication options will provide families with a unique link or QR code to connect them directly to their child. To send out this communication, from the left side menu, select Family Link. If school communication is enabled with families, then your landing page will be on the messaging page. You will then need to click the Manage Members button in the upper right corner. If this feature has been disabled, then the landing page will be this Manage Members page. Let's start with the family letter itself. At the top of the page, click the Edit Letter button. This will give you a preview of the information that will be sent to families. Let's highlight some important things about the family letter. You will notice the letter is directed to individual families. So it is very important that each student receives their individual letter, as this is communication for each family. You will see that it will show that this is from your school. In our case, it shows from PBIS Rewards University. You can review the information in the body of the letter and edit either of these boxes. Once this is edited and saved, these changes will reflect school-wide. This may be best to consult with an admin team member, if that is not your role, before making any edits. If any edits are made that you want to keep, remember to click the Save button. Now that the letter is edited, we can go ahead and print our letters. We will click the Print Letter button. There are a few options for schools to determine how the letters will be ordered in printing. Printing by all students will print the entire school roster as shown on the students page, which is first sorted by lowest to highest grade level, and then alphabetical by last name within each of those grades. The second option is grade level. This will print the individual grade level letters. This is a great option if you have a very large school population to help break up the printing and the file size generated. The third option is by group. This would be ideal for secondary schools that perhaps want to send letters out in a particular class period or with their homeroom classes. Finally, the last option is for selected students. This is a good option if you either have a new student or perhaps a student lost their letter and needs a new one. Simply enter a few letters of the student's name and select their name from the drop-down queue. This will then add them to your print queue. Once the selection has been made, the letters can be printed in the family's preferred language. There are multiple language options currently available. Once all selections have been made, click the Create File button. This will download a PDF to your device. You can open the PDF and print all the letters. Now that we have the downloaded letter, let's get our parent signed up on the app. First, parents will need to go to their app store and download the PBIS Rewards Family app. Note that the color of the Family app is purple, whereas the student app is teal and the staff app is gray. When the app is downloaded and open, the top banner is also purple. For a first-time app user, the first thing the family will be prompted to do is make their preferred language selection. The parent or guardian should then see Add Student at the top of the screen. We're going to go ahead and click the Scan Code to Add button. This will open their camera to scan the QR code from the letter. Once this is successfully scanned, click the Add Parent Guardian button. The parent or guardian will enter their first name, their last name, their email address, and the relationship to the child, and then submit. Once the child is added, the parent or guardian will be able to select the child's name and view information regarding their child. If they have additional children to add, they will repeat the same steps. Now let's walk through the steps for emailing and texting family members the family letter. We will need to navigate back to the Manage Members page. We will do that by clicking the Family link button on the left side menu and then Manage Members. First, family members will need to be added to this page. Family members will need to be added either individually through a bulk CSV file or can be synced in via Clever or ClassLink. If your school would like to add family members in bulk, an admin team member can upload a CSV file in the settings via the Family Member Importer. To add an individual family member, we are going to click the Add Individual button. We will need to enter the family member's information, which includes first name, last name, email address, or their phone number. Then we will search for the student. We can search with a few letters of either the student's first name or last name and selecting their name from the dropdown. Now that our family member is appearing in the list, we can check the box next to their name and then click the email/text letter button. We can then choose to send the letter via email only, via email and text, or only a text message. You will then also select whether we're going to send this in Spanish or English. Once you've made your selection, it will send your family letter to the parent. We can also tell if the family member has had the app installed via this column here on our family page. Now let's take and show you how families are going to get connected from either an email or a text message. Now that we have our emailed letter, we can see this is just like our printed letter. At the top, parents will see their child's name along with the school name. As we scroll down, we can see the QR code. If parents are viewing the letter on a computer or laptop, they can scan the QR code to get signed up. If they are viewing the family letter on their mobile device, like we are now, at the bottom of the letter, there is a link they can scan to sign up for the family app. Parents who are sent a text will receive the following message. Your school name is inviting you to use the PBIS Rewards Family App, and a link will also be included. The link on the family letter and via text message will have individuals complete the same steps for setup. Let's go through those now by clicking the link. The link will first direct people to their application store for iOS, Android, or Amazon. After selecting your store, download the app. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open the app and make sure that the language selection step is complete. If you have previously downloaded the app, make sure that it is open before proceeding to the next step. Now, back on the Family App Instructions page, click the Copy Student Information button. Switch over to the Family app and you should see the option to allow paste. Since this link was sent via text, the parent's name should already be showing on the app. Select the box and fill in the space to note the relationship to the child and submit. We see that Dylan has now been added to the Family app along with Mia that we signed up earlier. If the Allow Paste option did not show previously, please close out everything, reopen the app, and the text link following the copy instructions again. Thank you for watching this video on how families connect to the Family app. If you need additional help or have questions, please contact us at tech@navigate360.com. We will see you in the next video.